This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Shokair. Beautiful home in highly desirable Bridgewater community in Plantation / open modern floor plan / 4 bedrooms 2.5 bath home / primary bedroom downstairs / large loft / freshly painted exterior / new AC 2019 / hot water heater 2019 / whole house alkaline water filtration system / accordion shutters and impact windows / new gutters leaf filter no cleaning of leaves necessary / laminate flooring stairs and second floor / tile floors downstairs / updated bathrooms 2022 / new appliances 2022 / plantation shutters / maintenance includes lawn service / walking distance to DEICKE Park / community pool and clubhouse / close to tennis / golf and number 13, COURCE / close to highways and sawgrass mills. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Shokair at 954-693-0353.